All right, check out this backpack. It is actually a wheelie backpack, so you can put it on your back or you can wheel it along the ground. As you can see here, it's got wheels on the back. Perfect for traveling. Maybe you've got a work event, you need to take a lot of stuff or a presentation or something, then this is the one for you because it has a ton of pockets. So we're going to go through them. At the front, we've got this nice little pocket. It's nice and padded too, so you can make sure that your gear is nice and safe. We've got, you know, pockets for pens, wallets, smaller items on here, a spot to put your keys on, that kind of thing, and just a medium-sized pocket there. And then we've got the main sort of compartment here which you can fit your laptop, your tablet, you know, everything you want in here. And then another one. So this is perfect for traveling if you're maybe going overnight somewhere or whatever. This, you can put your shoes in here, your clothes, your toiletries, whatever. This also has a little charging outlet here, so you can put like a power bank in here, and then you've got a USB port out here, so you can have your phone or your laptop plugged in from the bag, which is nice and effective or efficient, so you never lose power. And then here we've got this nice handle. I love that they put the wire on this because if you've got a lot of gear in here, it's going to be quite heavy, and some handles won't be able to handle that. See what I did there? So a really good touch there. They've really thought about the design of this. Then we've got the wheelie handle up here, so you just push that and it'll pop on out. And then on the back we've got a little zip pocket which actually hides the straps to turn it into a backpack. So nice comfy straps. This is like moisture wicking fabric in here. And then when you want it to, when you want to use the straps, you've got a little Velcro spot on the underneath here. So the back opening just simply comes over and connects down there, and you can put this on your back like so. A wheelie bag turned into a backpack. How versatile is that? So cool. Looks great. Like you saw, it's got a ton of storage options in here. And yeah, just the perfect combination of a rolly bag and a backpack. So highly recommend it. Oh, and it comes with a TSA approved lock as well. So highly recommend it. Definitely go check it out.